Secure IT Enviroments is an independent design and build provider specializing in modular data center construction. We manage the whole process from design through to construction and commissioning to provide you with a new, secure, reliable, and efficient facility quickly and without fuss. We take your IT requirements and convert this into a design specification which meets the current needs and is flexible enough to expand to meet your future needs. Our modular design approach enables us to give you the ability to expand when you need to, without having to invest capital in space and equipment on day one, which you may never use. Once we have installed cable ducts to provide connectivity to your existing facility and external connections to incoming power and telecommunications circuits, the concrete base is poured. If you already have a suitable base either outside or inside an existing building, then we can use that. Once the base is ready, the wall panels are fitted. Our unique panels are made from pyrofoam phenolic resin bonded between two steel sheets. This means that they are light and strong with a 90-minute fireproof rating. Multiple cam locks built into the panel lock them tightly together to provide a hermetic seal and a high security rating. As well as providing a secure barrier, the panels have a very low U value of 0.18, which means that they are excellent insulators. This reduces the thermal gain on a hot day and reduces the energy required to cool the room, improving energy efficiency. The same material is used as a base panel and for the ceiling as well as the doors of the room, making the whole room secure and energy efficient. For larger rooms, our structural engineers design a steel frame built to add more strength to the room and support a wider roof. Once the main structure is erected, the ceiling can be installed from the inside. It is made from the same material as the side panels and has the same cam locks to provide a perfect seal. The base building is finished with a 2mm steel sheet to provide an impact-resistant, easy-clean finish. The room can be designed and built with or without a raised floor, depending on the requirement. Where a raised floor is fitted, a high-density anti-static panel is used, which will support 12 kilopascals of distributed floor loading. This is more than adequate for most IT racks. Where the raised floor is used for cooling, aluminium vented tiles are used to provide adequate strength whilst maximizing the available airflow. These can be fitted with dampers to allow the operator to balance the airflow, providing greater airflow to more heavily loaded racks and reducing the airflow to others. Brush strips and grommets are installed where there's a requirement for cables to leave the raised floor. This improves the cooling system's efficiency by ensuring that the cooling air is delivered to the air intake of the IT equipment. Additional cables can be installed easily as and when they're needed. Electrical distribution panels are assembled before being delivered to site. This helps to reduce the project's timescales and ensures a consistent quality of assembly. Power systems are fitted with meters. This enables you to measure your PUE, which, depending on your choice of infrastructure, can be as low as 1.1. We ensure that the lighting is aligned with the aisles to maximize lighting levels. The majority of our new installations are now fitted with LED lighting to minimize power consumption. Air conditioning systems are designed by Secure IT Enviroments to match the cooling requirement. This may include raised floor cooling systems, in-row or in-rack cooling or free cooling systems to reduce energy consumption in regions where the ambient temperature is low for most of the year. We ensure that our designs are as efficient as possible by incorporating best practice. With current IT technology, this means implementing hot aisle, cold aisle cabinet layouts and installing hot or cold aisle containment systems. The cold aisle containment system, shown here, ensures a consistent air temperature to each piece of IT equipment, and it reduces the energy consumed by the cooling system. Fire suppression systems are linked to the fire detection to automatically extinguish any fire which occurs whilst the room is unoccupied. We will fit the suppression system of your choice, but we recommend the use of Novec 1230 gas because it is one of the most environmentally friendly on the market. Strobes and sounders provide a warning prior to gas release to allow people to leave the room. Access control systems can be fitted to link in with your existing systems and can incorporate biometric recognition, key fobs, proximity or swipe cards and PIN systems. Camera surveillance can be fitted internally and externally to provide complete security. We will fit equipment to integrate with your existing systems where required. The structured cabling systems are designed, installed and coordinated with the power cabling to ensure adequate separation for safety and to prevent electromagnetic interference. Under the floor, cables are raised off the ground on tray work for safety in case of flooding. Cable routes are also installed overhead to allow cabling between the racks. Once built, the whole structure can be fitted with cladding to allow it to blend in with the existing environment or to create impact. A choice of cladding options is available. The finished project demonstrates Secure IT Environments' attention to detail. The building is complete with first aid kit, clear labelling on all cables and equipment, and sufficient space to move equipment around the room. The modular approach allows flexibility in design. Separate areas can be defined using partition walls or metal grills. Here, the power room is separated to prevent maintenance engineers from having to enter the IT room. At the outset of every project, we will help you to define your requirements in detail. The choice is yours. You can choose the level of redundancy to meet a particular infrastructure tier level, and we will design it and build it for you. We can build what you need now and expand it later by building an extension without disturbing the existing facility. If project time on site is restricted, we can build your room off-site and deliver it to your site for final commissioning. The choice is yours. Whatever you decide, Secure IT Environments will design it, build it, and commission it to meet your requirements at a price you can afford and in a time to meet your needs.